Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Joey. You're watching VegasDtech. I'm out here today with Maria.
Hi, guys. Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back. I know you guys have been wondering where the heck have we been, but you guys have been seeing for the longest time all that crazy rain and storms and stuff that have come through Vegas and just haven't been able to get out. But today, guys, we're back again at Lake Mead for the Lake Mead water report, and we're here at 6 o'clock in the morning. We just wanted to give you like an early morning pano of a sunrise out at the Marina, right? And you want to see, what is that flagpole that Maria's got? That is the Insta360 camera, and we're gonna be able to get you guys some beautiful like aerial drone shots of a sunrise here at Lake Mead that you can't really get because drones aren't allowed at the national parks. But that guy is like a light pole, and we'll be able to get you some really, really awesome footage. So we're gonna head out here and do the water report and sit back and enjoy some of the scenery. Man, I've never been out here this early in the morning unless I'm camping. Now, if I'm camping right now, this is perfect because we would be getting up, making some sausage and bacon and eggs at the campground. But just to come out here at this hour, I said, I got to get out here in the morning. I normally am not a morning person, but you're never going to be able to capture a morning sunrise without getting up at 5 a.m., you know? But yeah, we just hope you guys like that footage. So we're back down here at the loading docks or the launch ramp, and I see some trucks back there, so there is some boats out here already this morning, but nobody out here at the launch ramp. We have one boat sitting back this way, right there. Is that right? Yeah. We're gonna come out here and let you see how the water looks. Very clear. I don't know if you guys can catch this, but can you see the slabs here? The waffle board slab? Yeah, this stuff right here was so far exposed back when the drought was in effect, and you could see all these rocks here. I remember when all these rocks were piled on the side, and they came out here with bulldozers and put it on the side. All of this was way up on the land, and look at this. All of this stuff, the construction of the concrete and the rocks, it's now underwater. So this is all fresh water for the year. Such a clear water day. Wow, we're out at the end of the pier right now, and it's probably 5 or 6 feet deep right here. And I could see clear down to the bottom. And I could still see clear the launch ramp concrete slab is still going out there. That's just amazing how much water has come back in. This is at least 6 or 7 feet. If I were to jump in right now, I'd be over my head. Let me see if I can get you a little bit closer down here. Have a look. Yeah, all that concrete slab that you see down there, that was way back on the land, and look, it's still going deep, deep, deep into the water. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get with the Lake Mead water report for today. So today, guys, the water level at Lake Mead is 1,066.23 feet, and it says that we are 93% through the water year, and we're up 21.91 feet from last year as of today. The inflows at Lake Mead today, guys, are going to be 13,929 feet. The outflows are going to be 9,253 feet. The average inflows for the past 14 days are 14,719 feet, and the average outflows are 7,196. As far as the change index is concerned, the change index shows that we are up 0.12 feet today, and for the past 14 days, our change index shows that we are up 0.17 feet for the past 14 days. Obviously, for the past 14 days, we are up 14 days in a row with 0 down days. Okay, and that's the report for Lake Mead. Moving on to Lake Powell. Lake Powell, the water level is 3,574.31 feet, or 442 feet of water at the dam. The inflows today at Powell is 7,213 cubic feet per second coming in, with the average outflows of 9,993 feet. Average inflows at Lake Powell are 7,743, with the average outflows being 12,269, which means they're pushing out an additional 4,000 cubic feet per second than what they're getting. Hence, their water levels probably dropping. The index shows that Lake Powell is down 0.08 feet for the day, and for the past 14 days, they have been down 0.12 feet. And it says that over the last 14 measures, Lake Powell has been down a total of 1.66 feet over the past 14 measures. That's nothing new. We already know one reservoir dumps to another reservoir, so one gains and one loses, but it flips back and forth as we come down to the end of the water year. So anyways, guys, that is the Lake Mead water report for Lake Mead and Lake Powell. And we're going to get on here and try to catch some more of this beautiful scenic sunrise. As you just saw in the course of me making this report, that sun just came up over the mountain. I just hope that the camera's not overexposed. It's completely up to my camera person here to make sure that everything is in focus. Man, look at all this foliage. We used to be able to walk out around the front of this water, but the water's come all the way back to these bushes. So like we don't have any way to actually trek along the water line because the water has taken over. There's no way to even get around this. I don't believe so. Let me just take a look over here. We can already see some of these erosion water cuts here. Remember the terraces that I was trying to tell you about, how the step terracing? You can see the step terracing right here. This was way back. Last summer, we were way out there in that water. And this right here was way back in the back of the desert. All of this terracing was at least 200 yards back. And look at it, where water meets the terracing. All right, which way do we go? Campground or RV park? Let's go to the campground. So coming up over here, guys, is where you're going to fill out your envelope. I believe it's 20 bucks a night. You'll just drop your envelope right in here at the registration and go pick out your site that you want to camp. I try to get as close as I can to the water because I like watching the sunrise come up over the mountains and shine on the water in the morning, and I love to watch of course the moonrise at night. Yeah, so you get a sunset, which is beautiful, but then you just wait a few hours around 8 or 9 o'clock, then you'll also get a moonrise over the mountains, and then you could see the moon shimmering across the water, which is very beautiful. But if you guys want to ever come out camping here at Lake Mead, I say go down to the very end here at this end loop, and this is where you'll want to start looking around. If we have to, we'll pick something up here because it's really close to the restrooms. You know, you never know when you're gonna need to come up here, but the restrooms are nice and clean. I don't know if there's showers in there or not. I think maybe on the sides, I'm not sure.
No.
Anyways, there are water attachments all around here at each one of these sites. Like every other site has its own water, so where you can go over there and get fresh water. A lot of people like this gondola right here. It's the only site that has an actual gondola. Look at the guys got their hammocks already spread out, very nice. But yeah, like starting over here where these guys are on the right, this is primarily where I want to come by and camp out over here, where all these RVs are on the right hand side. This is perfect for us because you get to see the sunset and the moonrise. Yep, these down here, everything you see on the right hand side is my favorite spots. When we come camping, this is what we look for. Of course, we'll take whatever we can down here. Any one of these. I don't mind the ones on the left, but we've camped over here on the left, but the right one, that's where we want to go. And guys, we're over here at the Amphitheater. Give you a little view of this. So nice to be out here at night at the Amphitheater because they used to have like little concerts and little venues here with the backdrop of the lake, and you just come out here and have a seat and relax. Campground's over to the right. Little cool fire pits down here. Yeah, just come down here and set a couple of fire pits. I'm thinking in the evenings this would be a pretty cool spot to come out to. And I mean, you don't have to rent the area or nothing like that. It's never being used, so you could have your family come out and camp out in any of these campground areas and then turn on some of these fire pits out here and just chill out with your family and just have a look and watch the sunsets out here at the lake. I think that would be absolutely beautiful. Think about that. Your own private little fire pits out here with a backdrop here. You and your family can have this whole amphitheater area to yourself to enjoy. I think it would be absolutely beautiful. Alrighty guys, that's about everything we have for you for this week's Lake Mead Water Report. I hope you guys enjoyed going out to the fishing pier, the marina, and then having a look around the campground and the amphitheater here using the 360 camera. Hope you guys got some good views. Anyways guys, if you could do us a kindness, like if you liked the video, if you loved it, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Maria, anything you got to say?
Oh yeah, thank you once again for coming with us today, and I hope to see you on the next video.
Yeah, on the next video. We'll see you guys next week, all right? You guys be well. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Watch out for our e-bikes.
E-bikes. Bye.
E-bikes adventure.
All right.